Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, Convent of Mercy Alpha has been steadily building a track and field program that is yielding rewards. And within a 5-year span, they're not only sparring with the best in Jamaica, but also overseas. And as you'll hear in this report from Denise Walters, a big part of that success comes from the sponsorship received from Express Canteen.
Kirk King is the head coach of the Convent of Mercy Alpha Academy athletics program.
Now, this track team has been coming for a far way, I would say, since the COVID pandemic. We started out with 13 girls that year, and we have improved from a spot of 31st down to 25th, down to 15th. Last year we were 12th, and this year we successfully finished in 7th place. Just 6 points off top 5.
Recently, Alpha received $500,000 from Express Canteen to attend the pen relays, where they competed in several events, including the 4x800 meters for the first time in their history.
We finished in 10th place in our heat, which was a very good showing. We also entered the 4x4, where we won our heat for the first time. We received a plaque and some gold medals for that. And we also entered the 4x100 meters, where we made the international final and finished second with a silver medal. We also had one individual performance from Sajay Cruikshank in the shot put open, where she finished in 6th place. So it was a commendable performance.
Another aspect of the partnership with Express Canteen is helping the team with their nutrition.
In the years when we started this partnership of getting these girls lunches during training, that's mainly when we started seeing most of the improvements. After training, and I mean building a program, there are a lot of intricacies, a lot of things you have to look into. You have to look into their motivation, their mentality going into training.
Callie McMorris is the principal of Alpha Academy.
Because the vision of our school, as established by the Sisters of Mercy, has always been to be change makers, vision makers, enablers. And we do this by enabling young women to see themselves in the future and to demand from us those resources and those opportunities which will help them to grow.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.